Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. So to start, just open up your Start menu and then just type in rec, like I do, or just recovery, full word, as you wish. Click on this little tile. Right, in here, we need to go to Configure System Restore, third tab. Then you will have this window right over here. And in here, guys, you just need to go ahead and choose your drive, which will store the system restore file within it. So usually it's recommended to store it under the system drive, but of course you can indeed also create the system restore for your other physical drives as well. So just choose, for example, the system, create, name the restore point, right? So for example, we'll just go 26th July. RP restore point and press on create. It's going to create it now. And then guys, after it's created, okay, successful. After it's created, you go to system restore. And if you wish to actually use this restore point to recover your system, you press next. And there you go. There's my 26th July RP. It's a manual, as you can see. You press next and restore with it if you wish. That is it. Enjoy and subscribe.